Everyone, this is Rajesh again. I'm the founder and CEO of Category Specialist Community Channel. I'm a senior category manager having more than 8 years of experience in category management. The reason I opened the channel to share in-depth details about category management. It might support for the people who run an organization or the people who get involved in a retail industry or the people who started their career as a category manager. We have been uploading a series of videos about category management. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about consumer decision tree. It's again one of the key topic which we need to address when we discuss about category management. A well-structured consumer decision tree gives consumer the opportunity to shop the category and easily perceive value between segments, product offerings, and brands. When you plan your planogram, it should be set up to satisfy your shopper through using a consumer decision tree. A decision tree maps out each decision when consumer selecting the product. Let me give you a simple example. Let's take a category called pet food. When it comes to pet food, a consumer needs to take 4 important decisions before they purchase a pet food. First decision they need to take what type of animal they are buying the food for. And then the second one is what is the purpose of this food, and then third is what form of pet food they are going to buy, and then what is the brand they should select. These are the 4 main decisions they have to take it, but it won't be like a consciously they think about it, but it goes in their mind less than a second. So when you plan your shelf layout, it has to be designed, the planogram has to be planned in a way that giving a solution for all these questions they have it in their mind, and then so that it's easy for the shopper to take a decision instantly so that it will convert into a purchase. We'll go further detail about this category. In pet food, imagine we have 2 segments, which is dog food and then the cat food. Again, in the dog food, imagine the customer going to buy a food for dog. Within the dog, they have the regular feed and then the treats. Imagine they are going to buy a regular feed. So again, in the regular feed, there are dry feed and then the wet feed. And then if they are going to buy a dry feed, then usually the retailer used to carry 3 national brands and then their private labels. So this is how the planogram has to be planned based on the consumer decision tree. When it comes to a shelf layout, imagine in a pet food category, there must be 2 blocks. One is for the dog food and then another one is for the cat food. Within the dog food, as we have seen it has a treats and then the regular feed. Treats usually used to be in the top because the regular feed has to be kept it in the downside. Because of the size and then the weight of the packages, we usually have it in the regular feed because it's a bit heavier than the treat, so that the regular feed usually keep it in the bottom side. And within the regular feed, there are 2 kind of feeds we have seen it, which is wet feed and then the dry feed. And then within the wet feed and then dry feed, we have 3 national brands and then the private label. So when you plan your planogram, if you put it in this way, so that whenever the consumer enter into the category and into the shelf of the particular category, then it's really easy for them to take a decision without having any second opinion. This will support to convert your increase your conversion rate. This is again part of the planogram topic, which we are going to discuss again when we discuss about the planogram. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.